to this course on Python. You have made a good decision by enrolling into this course. So let's not get delayed. So let's head to the course structure and let's see what all we are going to cover in Python. So the initial topic that we're going to cover are the basic concepts. So what all are we going to learn over there? So under basic concepts, we'll see about the single line coding and some basic calculations. So these are the things that you learn under the basic concepts. In the next module, that is the control structures, you will learn about the loops and the conditional statements, where the logic is an important aspect. So in the third module, which is the functions and modules, we'll see how to define the functions and how to import the modules. Also, we'll see how to reuse the code using functions. And in the fourth module, we'll see about the data structures and strings, where the data structures are the list, tuples, dictionaries, sets, and we will also be covering about strings. And the next module are regarding the files, exceptions and errors that takes place in Python. So in that, we'll see how to handle the errors and exceptions that arise in Python. Also, we'll see how to handle the files, that is, how to write a file, how to read a file, and how to append a file. So we'll see how to deal things with files. So in the next module, that is the functional programming, we'll see how to assign functions and how to return the function itself from another function. Also, we'll be covering the anonymous function too under functional programming. Also, in this module, we'll see why Python is known as functional programming. So this is regarding this module. In the next module, which is the object-oriented programming, we'll see about the classes and objects. We'll see the inheritance, the types of inheritance, the constructors and destructors. And in the next module, which is the regular expressions, we'll see how to define a regular expression. So in the next module, which is, you can either call it as Tkinter or Kinter. So in this, we'll see how to create GUI apps. Also, I would have added how to create a calculator using Kinter, so that you will be able to go ahead and create a GUI app which is calculator of your own. So using Tkinter, you can just go ahead and develop GUI apps. And the next one, which is the Django framework, is the most remarkable one, where you guys will be able to create websites and blogs of your own with the help of Python. And the next module is regarding the data analysis. So in the data analysis, we'll be analyzing the data by viewing the data and plotting them in graphs. So this is regarding the data analysis. The next is also a remarkable one. Similar to that of the Django framework, we have the Flask framework, where we'll be creating the websites and blogs of our own using Python. So in the next module, which is the REST APIs using Django, we'll see how to post APIs. So they are of the JavaScript format. So we'll see all about that in this module. And in the next, which is web scraping, we'll be dealing with how to extract the data from the web through Python. So next module is regarding the computer vision, where we'll be using the OpenCV library to work with the images and videos. Also, we'll see how to access the webcam with that of the OpenCV library. And the next is the automation with Selenium, where we'll see how to automate any kind of website with Python. So these are some of the modules that we're gonna take a look in detail in this course. Also, I would have added tips and tricks in programming which can pave way for the enhancement and development of the programmer in you. So this is it regarding the course structure. We will see all of them in detail. So